Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this beautifully designed sari. This one actually my friend got this as a gift, so I'm not sure about the price of this sari, but she did got this from Nellore. And if you notice the border of the sari, we got this tissue design, and same thing we got even for the top of the sari. Very simple tissue design as a border for both top and bottom. If you notice, the sari is all plain, but only from knee length we got this flower design, and it's very beautiful and classy design, and especially with the cream and a light subtle pink or peach color with green tone is really elegant. Now let's move on to the pallu. This is the pallu. I really love this pallu. They have designed in such a way where they gave more all this all over flower design that they have given to the pallu, and this is how the look at how many flowers they have given just to the pallu. And for the border, just the pallu border, we got the same tissue design that we got for the top and bottom, and these are the tassels which came with the sari. So overall the sari is very elegant and a classy look just because of the flowers that they have given all over the sari, and the color combination with cream and everything took the sari to the next level. So now let's take the blouse here. The blouse that they have given was very simple. They didn't give these flowers or anything. So what I have asked the tailors to do is to stitch this flower design here, so that the sari will enhance more with this blouse, because the sari itself is looking very simple. So if you wear this blouse also with the same simple pattern, it won't look more fancy. So that's why I've just asked them to add. And then this is the model of the blouse that I've selected the high neck and then the simple border that they have added here. So just because of adding this some flowers here is taking the sari to a next level, because now it matches more to the sari. But of course I cannot mix and match this to another sari, because this one is particularly to this sari. So backside of the blouse I have asked them to stitch it as a high neck design. So this is how the high neck design is here. And if you notice closely, the thread that they have used is little darker tone for the blouse. So this is the blouse flower that they have designed versus the regular one, but it doesn't matter. But overall it looked good. And now let's move on to the second one. You'll be surprised why Shilpa used this as the second blouse. I love this blouse. This is a multicolor blouse. Just having one blouse can match to more than one sari. My aunt gave this to me as a gift, so I've asked them to stitch in such a way. And look at the way that they have designed the blouse, also very excellent. Just that small little at the back is like giving that extra unique and neat look to the overall blouse as well. And nowadays subscribers, the v-neck is a trend in now. So, and also I've asked them to stitch the blouse 3/4 sleeve, because the sari is plain. So that's why I thought like 3/4 sleeves is also good. But this blouse I just got it in general, which I can mix and match to more than one sari. So this is the plain design that I have selected. The tip here is the sari, the blouse itself is like a little too many colors in here. So I didn't want to overdo it by putting too much bright designs and everything on top of the blouse. So that's why they just added the simple blouse design and a bow kind of thing to the third one. So the third blouse that I've selected, look at the way that it's matching. I have already shared this in my previous videos. It matched so perfectly here, and especially for the blouse, this is a real Banaras cloth. And then look at that color tone here is matching exactly to the sari color flowers we got here. And also here also I selected the 3/4 blouse design. And if you notice here, the front portion of the blouse is this model, and adding that unique bow design at the back, also giving a sari and blouse to a unique and decent look. And this is how the overall look. And now let's move on to the pendant or the necklace that I've designed. I really enjoyed doing this pendant design or the necklace design here. This is how I took, and if you notice here, all I did was, these are all beads. The only pendant that I've used is that the middle one, and then these stones are natural ones, so you got this light cream versus brown color, and it can match to more than one sari, but I've mainly focused for this sari because the sari is looking very subtle and decent looking sari. So I just want to give that additional touch to the necklace, so that the sari with the blouse with this necklace can give that neat look. You can even wear to a very small parties kind of thing. It will really give a decent and elegant look. So subscribers, I hope you enjoyed this necklace. If you do, please let me know in comments. Now let's move on to the earrings. The earrings that I've selected, these are simple terracotta Lakshmi Amavari earrings. Since the sari is cream color, the gold always matches, so these are the gold looking earrings, so that's why I've selected. These are very beautiful. And now let's move on to the second earrings. The second earrings are these cute earrings, which I've already shared in my previous videos. I got this from Commercial Street, Bangalore, and if you notice, the color tones here are exactly matching to our sari and of course the blouses that we have selected today. Now the third earrings that I've selected here is this pearl earrings. Always matches very well. It gives that unique and decent look to the entire outfit. Now this is the bangle that I've selected, since the sari is looking more traditional and everything, so that's why I've selected this bangle. It's been with me for a while. This is not real gold, but still it didn't lose its color, because I always keep it in a Ziploc bag, and if you seal it nice enough, it won't lose its color. So now the second bangles that I've selected here are these decent bangles. Why I'm calling these decent is, I've tried to mix all the colors that we have here, but very subtle colored bangles, so that it won't overdo the look and everything. So that's why I've selected this. And if you have a close look of this is what I was saying, like light and subtle color tone bangles. Now the third one, I'm sure you have seen all these bangles before, but I just added this light orange tone to the edges, so that that it gives that more expensive look to the overall bangle. Even though we have two bangles, I just want to wear watch on the other side, so that's why I just mix and match these. Now let's move on to the sari pin. This one is one of my favorites. My aunt gave this to me, I think maybe 15 years ago, but it didn't change its color. I don't know where she got it, but it's been with me for a very long time. It matches so well to the sari as well. Usually I put it for my the sari steps at the top. I like to put this at the steps, so it will give that very neat and a decent look. Now this is the watch that I've selected today. The main reason that I've selected this watch, it has that dual tone, both gold and silver touch to it, to the band, so it matches very well to the entire look of the sari. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.